Hello guys, welcome to day 60 from 400 days of learning programming challenge. I'm happy because it's been 2 months has been passed from me learning programming, and it wasn't not hard actually. It was fun for me, and I had experienced a lot of good things. And when I started to create my own website, it's give me a lot of good feelings that I have to continue. And one things happened today is I went to university, and I found a friend who was from Afghanistan, and he came to my country, and I asked him that about his prior experience in programming, and he told me he was a data science in India. So he was studying in master degree in data science in one university of India, and he came to my country so he can study in doctorate for PhD in artificial intelligence. And we were talking to each other, and he told me, actually I asked him about his job. I told him, what is your job, and what are you doing, how much money do you earn? He told me that when he went to India University, after a while he started to work with a company in India, and they are working with him by projects, and he earned about $700 per month, and this money is too much in my country. So if you earn that much money, maybe in some countries $700 is not much, but in my country, if you earn that money, you are going to have a good life in here. Excuse me. And I asked him about his experiences, and he was talking about it with me, and I'm so full of energy when understood that if he can earn $700 per month, I can earn it as well. So I feel like I am in the right way. Learning programming is in the right way. Imagine that even if I don't immigrate, going to another countries for living, even if I don't successfully going to live in a country like USA or Canada, with that much money, $700 per month, I can have a good life in my country, and that's great. So I feel like I am in the great way. I choose a very good profession. So I just wanted to let you know that today I studied about 8 hours, maybe 9 hours. I didn't calculate it, but I went to university in the morning and came back in the night. And today, right now is 10 p.m., 10:33 p.m. And I'm going to continue what we are doing yesterday. We were trying to solve a problem in the codes, but actually my brain is right now is too much tired. It's too much tired that I cannot thinking about problems right now. So I decided to solve the problems of coding tomorrow when I am full of energy. And tonight I'm going to design the third page of my website. So let me show you in my screen. Let me turn on the screen recorder first. Okay. So this is our design, right? The first page was this. So the main page was this, right? I created a menu. I created a paragraph here, some words I put here, and I designed a picture here. It's supposed to be my picture, but I didn't put my picture. I give some other image, and this is my first page. Then I went to the portfolio, and started to design it, which is this one. And the problem was, let me show you in leave action. So the problem is, I want to put this menu here. I want to put it here, okay, like the things I designed here. So I need to use position method, and I forgot how to use it, and a lot of you guys give me the solution about how to fix it, and some of you guys has a nice argument to each other about how the best codes, what is the more sweet works, what codes here, what is the best codes here. So I have to read them very carefully, read your comments, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. So it's better for me to going here and design the resume item, or maybe contact, because portfolio and resume are a little bit like each other. I'm not sure to create this page about resume, but we need the contact page, right? So let's just Google some designs in about contact page. So I'm writing contact template, website design, contact website design. We are going to inspire by some templates here. Okay, the contact page should be looks like oh, by the way, guys, yesterday at night I started to learn new lessons about Bootstrap, and Bootstrap really is God. I mean, it's super cool. You just copy some codes and paste it in your codes, and you have a cool design in your website. That's great, but I read in the comment section that some of you guys has argument about using Bootstrap. As a beginner, I don't know why they have this argument. Some of you guys told me, why do you want even try Bootstrap? But there is a question rise in my mind, and that is, why shouldn't I use that Bootstrap? Because it's helped me to create the page faster, right? Maybe some of you guys can tell me why you guys using Bootstrap, and why some of you are not agree with using Bootstrap. What is the problem here? I don't get it, because everything in Bootstrap, as as I saw yesterday at the video, was that Bootstrap is super cool. Why some of you guys don't use it, I don't know. I would appreciate if you have any important opinions, any important information about Bootstrap that I don't know, that why some of you guys don't use it. I would appreciate if you comment it below. Thank you. So let's come back to our design. This design would be so easy to create if I use Bootstrap. I'm not still professional at Bootstrap, so I'm just using the old methods, which is writing the codes by my own. The contact page should have an information about me, right? Oh, this looks cool, right? This looks good, but the problem is that I don't know how to add a map here. I don't know how to add contact list here. So maybe I'm trying to create the contact page so much early. How can I create a contact page when I don't know even how to create a form? I learned something about Bootstrap actually, so let's see if I can use it. Bootstrap, get Bootstrap docs. Does it have anything about form? Like form, contact, no. Maybe I should press Ctrl F and write it here. Form. Form control, forms overview, select range, input group, layout, forms. Every group of form fields should reside in a form element. Bootstrap provides no default styling for the form element. What? No default styling for the form element. So, but there are some powerful browser features that are provided by default. Let's see here. Label example, another input. This looks cool. This is like what I want, but email and password, it's not necessary. I may remove it. Let's check other. Email. Let's come back to our forums. There is a map here. I can put a div image right there. So later on, when I learned how to how to add a map right there, I can change it with the picture. But the template is cool, right? This is good as well. It's an easy one, actually. I can, as a beginner, I can use this easy one. So there is some name, family name, email. This is very neat and very beautiful contact, because if someone wants to contact me, I can ask from him, her, the first name, the last name, email, the message, and send button. So I like this one. This is cool as well. Or this one. So instead of this flower or whatever it is, I can put my picture here. But instead of this thing here, I can put a form here, right? What about this one? This is cool. This is cool. So let's design our page, contact page. Save it as contact page. Okay. So it should be a div tag here, right? A div tag here. And we have to split it into two sections. And in this section, it's a picture of mine. And in here, we have forms. Like first name, last name, for the sake of being clean here, we can just copy and paste. First name, last name, email, and message, and a send button. So let's just make them a little up. We should create a button here. A send button. So first name, first name, last name, email address, email, message, did I write it in the right way? Message. Yes, messages. Message and the send button. Send. Should be in blue. And should we create a background color for the rest of our page, like this one? Or should it be green, a very light green? Okay. So in the package, in the course that I have bought, there is a section about how to choosing the colors, how programmers choosing the colors, what are the best colors for web design. So I'm still not getting in that section of videos, so maybe the colors that I'm choosing right now are not the best, but it's a practice, right? Not everything need to be perfect here. We are just practicing the codes and the principles here. So if I can create this form, this means I am getting better at coding, and I can change the appearance later. Okay, this is this design. My picture here, and that's it. Save it, and let's get to create this one. So the first thing first, we need to create a new text file. We have to select language, call it HTML, save it in our project folder, save as here, what we should call it, contact page, contact. Save it, and now we are ready to go. And Shift number 1, press enter, and the document has been created. Now we have a white page, right? A white page. Let's change the background color first. So creating a style tag. I forgot that. Should we put the style tag after the head tag, or it should? I think it would. It was after head tag, right? Let's check it. No, we put it in the head tag here. And what about here? Nothing. So let's ask the Google where to put the style tag in HTML. The style element must be included inside the head of the document. All right, we found our answer at the seconds. So here, we cut this and we make some space. Now let's make a code for our body tag. Body, background color, green. Control S to save these codes. And now we can have a green, but it's too much green. Heavy green. Okay, this one is good. Control S. This is better. If not, we can change it later. So the next thing is to create a div tag. And how much this div tag should be sized? A div tag in the body section. Div. And we can call this div tag a class. And we can call it main for now. Main, let's create some let's define some CSS for our main class. And height like 400 pixel as 400 days of challenge, 400 pixel. And width 300 pixel. Control S. Let's give it a background color so we can see it. Background color like red. Control S. It's too small, so no more no 400. Let's we have, I think we need to double it, right? It's about 800. So here 800 in 400. We have to use 400 anyway. Control S. Oh, it's too much big, so let's get back to uh, 500. Control S. The height is good, I think. The width is too small. $800. Control S. This is, I think it's good. It's good. Let's put it in the center of the page. So what we were doing is, I think we would put it in the center by margin auto. Margin Can I write auto? Let's check. The first auto is been working, but the second one is not working. So the first, let's use the old method, like margin top, auto, margin left, margin left, auto. Control S. I always have problem with margin. 25 minutes passed. The video has been reached to the end, but before finish the video, let's check if we can put this on the center. Let's try for 5 more minutes. I always forget about margin top, auto. Why it doesn't work? Center, margin top, center. No, not working. Margin auto. Let's check this again. So the left margin is working, but the top margin top, I think I have to just, I can use percentage, right? Like 50%. Control S. Oops. What are you doing? Margin top. 50% doesn't work. We already solved this problem before, so portfolio margin 50 pixel, 5 pixel, margin 10 pixel, margin 10%, 10%, margin auto. You should use pixel right now, like, I don't know, Control S. Why it doesn't go to the center? Why it's in the right? Okay, I cannot think anymore. Let's come back to it tomorrow. We are going to solve some of the problems here. And guys, thank you for your comments. I'm going to answer them one by one. And all of your comments are so much valuable for me, especially when you guys giving me the answers. I'm going to read them very carefully. And thank you so much for your comments. I hope you like this video. Press the like button if you like, and see you tomorrow.